Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to get free stuff on Temu. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Temu application, once you open up your Temu application here and log into your account, so create your account and log into your account. So here you can see that the Temu provides options to collect, like to gain free stuffs through their apps. So how do you do that? It's like, for example, once you're logged in, click on the U option here on the U tab underneath. So once you get here you will see an option called earn credits and free gifts. So this section is where you get your free stuffs, where you can claim for free stuff. So for example, click on earn credits and free gifts. So here, if you see, you can get free gifts, and also you can also earn credits. So once you earn enough credits, then you can use those credits to get whatever you want on Temu app as well. So those things. So for example, free gifts. So if you click on free gifts here, so here you can claim for free stuff. So for example, all right, so for example here there's a lot of free items here which you can claim for. So for example, you can select any of these item here that's of your interest. All right, so what you can do, so for example this one here, so click on get now. All right, so that's the gift I'm going to claim. So all you have to do now here is, okay, select your shipping address. All right, and then once you're done with that, so what you have to do now is you go to all right, okay, so I've confirmed my address. So in order to gain this gift here, so what you have to do is you have to refer. So you have to invite a friend and refer a friend, and once they join the Temu app as well, then you will get these free gifts sent to you. So all you have to do is, like, as you can see, share your referral link with friends and then invite them, and then once they invite and they sign up, then you will get your free gifts. So in that way you can earn your free gifts. So you just have to click on invite a friend. All right, and then this is the link here, so you can either copy the link or share the link with anyone, or through Facebook or any other social media applications or messages as well. So either way, so you have quite a lot of methods here how you can share with your friends, invite them and then share them, and then once they sign up, then you will get these free gifts here. So in that way you can claim a lot of free gifts through this app. And also, apart from free gifts, you can also earn free credits as well. So if you choose this option here, so you can play this game and then play this game around and then earn more credits to your account. So till you reach a certain credit limit, then you will be able to use those credits to make your purchases. So this is how we can actually make how we can claim free stuffs through this Temu app. So give it a go and let me know, guys. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys in another video.